Alrighty, yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one-of-a-kind video. It's your boy, One of a Kind, or Zach, whatever you guys want to call me. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from the Boston Whaler. As you guys can see, we got the Boston Whaler behind me, but this week's episode is a fun and interesting one. So, as you guys can tell by the title, yeah, that's correct. We are getting a free boat, which is insane. So, you know, you always see these clickbaity, oh, I got this boat free, I got this boat free, but this boat's actually free. So I'm actually recording this before I go ahead and pick it up now. So we're about to go pick up the boat, and I'm just going to show you guys the process of that, give a little boat tour, because this is kind of like our next project boat. And then I'm going to show you guys what you guys need in this scenario, whether you get a free boat or whether you're just buying a vessel in general, no matter what state it is. So granted that it's free, we're going to kind of skip the inspection process because it's free. Who cares? You know, you take it and you use it for what it is, you know. So just gonna show you guys that process, and yeah. Alrighty, guys, so the deal was successful. Here's our boat. So just kind of readjusting it now and making sure it's in the truck, but free. We like free. Alrighty, guys, it's the next day. We get the boat home. As you guys saw in the previous clip, getting it home on my dad's truck was interesting, to say the least. I was kind of holding the rope that was attached to the front and like from his beer hatch, then we just tied off the hooks on the back to the truck, and it was interesting. But free boat, it was a success, and the boat actually came with a clean title, and it was already the registration just expired. I already know it floats because we had to pull it out of the water, and yeah, we got a bill of sale, fresh title. So I mean, really all we have to do is clean this thing up, you know, kind of do a little bit of repairs on it, and free 1,200 bucks I think I'm gonna sell it for. So let's go ahead and show you guys the boat. Alrighty, guys, so it is a West Marine 10'2" dinghy. It's, let's see, it's the 310 model. So I'll pop up a picture on screen right now, and you guys can see the actual retail price of this boat. And I believe it's $2,100, which is actually just insane. So we got a $2,100 boat for free. Now, as you guys can tell, the boat is in extremely rough condition. It needs a really good pressure washing. There's a ton of barnacles and just crap on the underside of it, and a bunch of algae on the transom. I mean, another part that's cool, guys, is that this floor is fiberglass, and it's in extremely good condition. I mean, this thing just needs a little pressure wash, a little bit of cleaning, maybe do a little wax job on everything, and yeah, I mean, this thing's looking fantastic. I mean, for free, you can't beat free. I mean, I see a couple hairline cracks, so I mean, I don't know, but it doesn't look anything that's bad. There's absolutely no soft spots. This thing is extremely sturdy. So looks like we got a great score. And another thing that came with the boat too, guys, is the actual seat for it too, which will also help the resale value of the actual boat. So it's very, very sick too. Oh, for the scraping part of the project, I got this little metal scraper right here, and I already kind of wet the boat a little bit, and I don't know. And we're just gonna go ahead and try to scrape it and see how good that actually works. I mean, I already did a little bit, and it looks like it's going pretty well. So let's scrape some of the habitat off. So I mean, it is doable, guys. It's coming off, I mean, relatively easy. Just like on the Boston Whaler, guys. I mean, you kind of just take this little scraper to it, kind of gently, that way you don't want to damage the hull or anything, but I mean, it's coming off. It's just, oh boy, this is it's a lot of freaking barnacles. It's definitely nautical. I don't know. So we actually got some good news, guys. Really good news, actually. So as you guys saw, there was a patch over this end of the boat, and I was really nervous that it was because this was not going to be there and that there's gonna be some massive hole back there, but I really don't. I mean, I kind of understand why. There's a little bit of, you know, holes in the seals and stuff like that you know, is obviously causing the air to escape, but I mean, it's not a big puncture, so I mean, I'd easily just rip that off. So I mean, if we gotta, you know, we just have to, you know, scrape some of this extra glue off and really clean this thing, give it a good scrub. I mean, it's looking a little promising, like they might, you know, everything might be okay. So let's finish up getting this glue off. We'll get that patch off, and then yeah, well, I'm gonna try to fill this thing with air actually to make it a little bit easier to clean it. And yeah, let's clean this bad boy up. Alrighty guys, so we got the boat flipped back over. Now it's time to kind of clean the ribs, see what we can really do with the ribs, and kind of clean the hull a little bit and try to get that orange away and see if we can make it not look like it was neglected. So guys, I can't believe it, that magic eraser thing I showed you that I got from the boat show, that is that side, that is this side. Holy cow, that works amazing. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Holy cow, what a difference. I'm just amazed right now. Like, this boat, you guys saw it. This boat looked so freaking bad earlier. And when you guys first saw it, look at the difference now. This is starting to look like it could go back on the West Marine Shell. All right, guys. So here's an update of how the dinghy is looking. So for the most part, the ribs on the underside are pretty much clean. It's taken a lot of scrubbing, but this magic eraser thing we got from the boat show has been a big help. And guys, look, the barnacles on this gel coat are so far into the gel coat, it's ridiculous. I've had to do so much scraping, but look right here, boys. I got this little section of boat done, and it looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna keep scrubbing it with some soap and the magic eraser to kind of get this orange stuff off. But I mean, guys, look at this boat. I mean, who would have thought from when we first brought it home that it would look like this? Definitely not me. I'm amazed right now. So it's looking fantastic. So right here, guys, for this hull restoration, we got instant hull cleaner gel formula by Starbright. So it's pretty good for scum lines, stuff like that. Getting water lines off, and spray it, and supposedly it'll just work right off. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do, and just so we can keep a total cost of everything that we invested into this boat. This was exactly $20, so 20 bucks in so far. Just gonna go ahead and apply all this on the hull, let it soak for a couple minutes, and we'll see what happens. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at the difference. All the orange fading on that side and this side. Look how nice that looks. Wow. This boat's cleaned up nice. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more back here, but I mean, wow. Alrighty, guys. So here's how the boat is looking after about 3 hours of detailing. So we had to scrape more barnacles off. We used that hull cleaner stuff. We sprayed that on there, and after everything, rinsed it off with just Dish Dawn soap and used some more of that magic clean eraser, and wow, this is looking fantastic. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing, guys. I mean, I never thought that it would actually have a shine after the habitat that was growing on this, with all the water marks, oh man. I mean, just look at this, guys. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. I mean, it took a little longer than I had wanted it to, but I mean, the result is just, wow, makes it all worth it. And the transom needs a little bit more work on the sides over here and over there, but for the most part, transom is good. I'm just gonna wait to do the tubing first, and I'll clean up the rest of the area. But yeah, guys, the hull is done. So the inside doesn't look anything like this. We already scrubbed the inside, and everything's looking good on the inside, but yeah, this is how this is looking. So there's one more thing we have to do, guys, one more thing. So here's the seat that came with the boat, guys. So it sits on the tubes inside the boat, and what's crazy about this seat is this seat alone is $100 from West Marine. So it's hard to tell on camera, but there's a lot of like yellowing and sun fading and stuff like that, just because it's been sitting outside. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of restore this too, and put it back in its glory days. So here's how the seat came out after that, and wow, what a difference. I mean, this thing is fully white again, so that thing's looking fantastic. Alrighty, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so excited we got this brand new free boat. It's looking fantastic right now at the moment, so It didn't look so good when we picked it up, boys, but it's looking amazing now. So thank you guys so much for watching part 1 of this video. So the next part, we're gonna go ahead and fix all the leaks and seals. We're gonna go ahead and fully restore the tubes, and then after that, water test it. And then episode 3, we're gonna go ahead and sell it, and I'll explain the breakdown of all the prices and everything else, and the process of me selling it and how to do that. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you guys are excited for this kind of content and like this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys would have picked this boat up. I don't know. Let me know if I'm crazy. Let me know if I'm crazy for taking a chance on the boat. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your boy, One of a Kind. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.